What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to play Free Fire on desktop. So first of all you need to install the game loop. Okay guys, so there is a video in our channel before we have made, which is in that video we have shown to you guys how you can install game loop. Okay, so now after installing game loop, here you can see there will be the Free Fire game and you will be able to download. Okay, so now here you can see it's being downloaded, and if any other things open up like that, I'm just cutting it. Okay, so here you can see Free Fire is being downloaded, and to check out the downloading you need to click on that. Any other things open up like that, I'm just cutting it. Okay, so here you can see Free Fire is being downloaded, and to check out the downloading you need to click on that download icon. Now here you can see that Free Fire is being downloaded. Okay guys, so it will take some time to download because okay, I'm just skipping the downloading time. So now here you can see after downloading it will be installed automatically. Okay, you just don't need to do anything. Okay, now here you can see it's being installed, and I'm just turn this Free Fire on. So it's very basic thing. Okay, now it's Free Fire on, so it's very basic thing. Okay, now it's there we can see it's loading. It's downloading it's a installation file, and you need to wait a bit. So here you can see it's being loaded. Okay, now here from this option I'm just you can select either Facebook or any other option, but I'm just selecting I'm logging as a guest. Okay, so tap to begin. So now here you can see I am successfully installed the Free Fire, and if I try to start any kind of game, so the game is starting. So I hope you guys understand how you can download and install Free Fire, and if you guys have any kind of question regarding this video, feel free to ask in the comment section below, and we will try to solve your problem. We will see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned with 5-minute solution. 5-minute solution.